Hello viewers, welcome to Ozioma's blog. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys the best method of preparing Afang soup. Let's get into it. First, I'm going to be showing you the ingredients you need to prepare this Afang soup. We have your protein. For me, I like using goat meat. This is my washed fish. This is my stock fish, well washed. This is my stock fish. This is crayfish. You'll be generous with it also, because without your crayfish, Afang soup is yet to be complete too. My periwinkle is washed already. I have the palm oil. This palm oil is fresh. You need a good oil for this, for the result to be very okay. So please, and you'll be generous with it too. I also have my cow skin, well washed and clean. Then my blended pepper to taste. Then I have my Afang. I love pounding my Afang. Some grind with blender, but I love pounding it in local way. It was already washed and pounded. This is my prepped. This is my seasoning. This is my onions, salt, and my local mangi prepared by me. Then is finally the water leaf that completes the soup. So let's start the process by putting add my cow tail, my stock fish, then I'll now add my onions and my seasoning cube, also my salt to taste. Also add my local, although it's optional, this is my local spices. I'll cover it and allow it to allow it to steam. The meat is steamed already, so I'll add my washed dried fish. Add it, and I'll add my little crayfish for now. Then I'll add my grounded pepper. And I'll mix too. And this grounded pepper is based, some people like it spice, but me, I've put it to the level I need, so I'll stir and mix it very well. Another thing, Afang soup don't need plenty water. As I'm mixing it, I'll now add little water just for the meat, the goat meat, and the cow skin to cook. So I'll add little water after mixing everything together, so that the whole spices and the salt will enter very well. So I'll add the water. Because you don't need too much water in Afang soup. You don't need too much water. So I'm adding water so that the meat and the cow tail will not too much, just this level, so that the whole thing will boil, and that's it. So this water is enough for it. It's enough. So I'll allow it to cook so that the meat and the cow skin will get soft. After letting it to steam, I'll stir. You can see there's not much water in it again. As I'm stirring it, I will now add my palm oil. Please, you have to be generous with oil. Afang soup needs a lot of oil. Add this. If it's not enough, I'll still add. I'll now add my more crayfish, then my vegetable, my water leaf. Now add my water leaf. Adding my water leaf. I need to mix it. Let me mix it very thoroughly so that and so we say, why will I know the measurement of the afang and the measurement of the water leaf? Afang is 1:2, so I don't know your side the way they tie afang. Let's assume, for instance, you're buying 1,000 naira afang, so you're supposed to use water leaf of 500 so that it will rhyme. Water leaf of 5, you know, water leaf was always much, so you see I'm adding more. So 1,000 naira afang, go with 500 naira water leaf. I know that the Akwa Ibom people in this video will confirm it. Please, I need your comments. I need you to share this video. You can see the way the look of the, I see the way it's looking. So I will cover it, allow it to simmer for a while so that this greenish color will not just go. Just allow it to steam a little. Then I'll now add the afang. My kitchen is already having a good aroma. So you can see, I'll cover it, allow it to steam. Then I'll now add my afang leaf and my crayfish and my periwinkle. Yes, just steam. So I will stir. You can see the way it's steam until the greenish. Wow! This soup is addictive. When you eat it, in fact, you will not like to eat any other soup. My kitchen is bam. In fact, this is good, man. So I'll now add I'm now adding my afang. Adding my afang now. After adding my afang, I also add my periwinkle, then crayfish. I'll top it up. You know, I told you people from the beginning of this video that crayfish and palm oil is the secret of afang. The aroma is everywhere. Please, if you have watched this video to this length, just do me a favor. please share this video, share it and like and comment. I want to see and hear where you are watching me from. Please share and like my video. I like interacting followers. Comment, ask your questions. Tell me if there's anything that is missing out. Wow, this food is something else. My kitchen is filled with good aroma, and you can eat it with any swallow of your choice, just as you can see it. Very, very nice, yummy. Oh, this mouth-watering food. Wow. Wow. Anyway, some people like it spicy, but to me, the whole thing is okay. So I'll cover it, allow the whole thing to join together. For my own palm oil now, it's okay for me. I don't like the oil to be more than this. Some people like it more oily. So I will cover it again and allow the whole thing to mix together. All the ingredients to enter the afang, and it's ready to eat. To take with any swallow of your choice. You can use pounded yam, you can use white food, which is apple, you can use gari, you can use your oatmeal, anything. In fact, those that don't like hard food, you can take it with semo or wheat. Let me cover it and allow it to steam again. Yes, this is the final look of our afang soup. Wow! This is what we call afang. You see the way it look? Please share my video. Share this video. Is this soup not calling? Look at the way the whole thing has mixed together. Very, very yummy. My kitchen is fat. Everywhere is smelling with good aroma, fine aroma. Just look at this, look at it. Swallow with anything, any swallow of your choice, it goes. Doesn't select any swallow. Please share my video for more are still coming. Share, subscribe and share my video, please. Follow, doesn't take you anything. Your data is already there. Please just share my video. Share and comment. Follow and subscribe, please. Even my YouTube channel is also Ozioma on that blog. Please, I have both in Instagram, the same name, Ozioma blog. Please share. Follow, so that others will see this goodness. There are many people that want to watch and know how it was being prepared, because they love the food, the soup. Follow my page, please. You can see how it look. So I'm turning down my gas. Thanks for watching. Please share, follow and like my page. Thanks for watching. Thanks. God bless you all. Bye.